Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fried rice using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. The key to great fried rice is using cold, day-old rice, about 2 cups worth. Next, prepare your vegetables. 1 cup of finely chopped carrots, peas, and bell peppers works wonderfully. Don't forget to mince 2 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of fresh ginger for that aromatic base. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your minced garlic and ginger, stirring constantly for about 30 seconds until they release their wonderful aroma. Then, toss in your chopped mixed vegetables. Sauté them for 3 to 5 minutes, aiming for a tender, crisp texture, not mushy. It's time to bring in the star of the show, the cold rice. Add your 2 cups of cooked rice to the pan, using your spatula to break up any clumps. Next, drizzle in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil. These liquids will add depth and a classic fried rice flavor. Stir everything together vigorously, making sure every grain of rice is beautifully coated with the sauce and vegetables. Continue to cook the fried rice for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing some of the rice grains to get slightly crispy. This adds a delightful texture. Before serving, taste your creation and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more soy sauce or a pinch of salt. Finally, garnish with fresh chopped green onions for a burst of color and flavor. Serve your delicious homemade fried rice immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.